Hey guys, it's me, THC Urban Gardener, the Happy Cultivator, and today we're going to be unboxing the Sgile 1/16 scale race car. So I got contacted by Sgile and they said, "Hey Urban, would you like to try our newest race car and do a review?" And I said, "Of course I would. You guys know me. I mean, after all, I am the Happy Cultivator." As you see, it is a 1/16 scale. It does run off of the 2.4 gigahertz digital frequency. All right, well, let's break open our factory seal right here and unbox this baby and see what's inside. Alrighty, I've gotten the factory seal busted open. Here we go. First thing we get out is, looks like the user manual. So here's a nice little Sgile user manual here. Tells you all the ins and outs of the car in a couple different languages. So there she is out of the box. Looks like it is zip tied down to the box here, so we'll have to cut those zip ties. But in the meantime, under here we have our bag of goodies, which includes a screwdriver and our USB charger. And it does come with 2 batteries. Nice, so you can have a little bit of extra run time. So the batteries are 600 milliamp nickel metal hydride batteries. I do have the car's zip ties cut now. So first thing I'll show you is the remote control. It's a simple digital remote control, 2.4 gigahertz with just nothing but an on-off switch. So here is the car. Let me go ahead and pull it out here and show you. It's just a simple $40 remote control car. There is where the batteries go in. It's nothing fancy, nothing like your Traxxas or maybe like your Axial rock crawler. But we'll give it a run. So I will go ahead and give this thing a charge and we'll see how it does. So look for that video coming soon. But that does it for the unboxing of the Sgile race car. You can find this on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description as always. If you like the unboxings, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more. With that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.